Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Git as an advanced user. I'm going to show you about 10 commands senior devs actually use. You might know some of these commands, but I would recommend you watch this video until the end because you might see something useful. Stage modified files and commit in one command. The first command is kind of shortcut. Instead of using two commands, we are going to use one to stage modify file and create a commit. So instead of using git add, then select multiple files, and then using another command git commit, we are going to use git commit -am and then our commit message. Create a new branch and switch to it. This shortcut command performs two operations. It creates a branch and then immediately checks it out. So instead of using two commands, git branch, then name of the branch, and then git checkout with the name of a branch, you can use git checkout -b and name of your branch. If you want to rewrite the most recent commit, you can use git commit amend. This command allows you to change the commit message on anything you like. For instance, by using this command, you can adjust your previous commit message. For instance, I'm going to change message to 1 to 3. And as you can see in my log file right now, this is the new commit message, message 1 to 3. There is a shortcut. You actually can do it with one command. If you want to change short commit, for example, use git commit -amend -m and then your new message. And by using this command, you will rewrite your previous commit message. View a file from another branch without switching the branch. This command is really useful because you can see how it looks like the file in another branch. Just use git show, name of the branch, column, and the name of the file. And you will see the version of that file in that specific branch. It's actually really useful. Sort local branches by last commit date. This command will be very useful for developers who is working on huge project with a lot of different branches. By default, git branch will return for you the branch name in the random order. But if you will use git branch -sort, you can sort it by recent date, recent commit date. And if you like this, you can change the configuration globally by using this git command. Git config -global, then branch.sort, and then commit date. And after that, git branch command will return you the branches in a sorted order. Undo the previous commit while preserving the changes. So basically, git reset -soft will move the head pointer back on the commit, but leave your changes staged. This combines the act of removing a commit from the history with keeping your work ready to recommit. This is ideal if you need to adjust your last commit or you want to include more files. I quite often using it to remove my test commits from the branch, because in head you can specify any number of the commits, don't have to be just one. Enhance logs output. All developers time to time looking at the log of the Git, but sometimes default view is not that descriptive, so we can use additional command to output the information about the log in a different format. Instance, by using git log decorate stat, we can see this kind of log. We can see commit message, file that was included, what was changed and when. We also can use another command to see the compact view of the log. Sometimes it's handy because you can see change of the project in the graph view, and it's much easier to understand. Under the description for this video, I will attach Git Cheat Sheet with the basic commands, just in case you need to refresh some knowledge. And that's probably it. If you like this video, please click like, share it with other developers, share with me your feedback and comments below, and I hope to see all of you in my next videos. Bye.